Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel Health Cube, the place where our mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about back strengthening exercises. I'm pretty sure if you have got back pain, you must have heard that you should exercise for your back. But do you know that exercises are of different format, different form, different goals, and should be done at different times? And so it's important that you take the help of your physiotherapist before starting any of the exercises. Back strengthening exercises basically are the exercises which should be done last after you are out of your back pain episode. Because strengthening exercises are kind of hard and can lead to injuries further, or sometimes can also increase your pain levels. So, what's the right time of doing back strengthening exercise? What are the benefits of doing back strengthening exercises? And what are certain things that you should keep in mind while doing back strengthening exercises? We are going to discuss all of them in today's video. So make sure to stay tuned with me till the end. So let's begin. Now basically the goal of the back strengthening exercises is to improve the strength of your core muscles. Core muscles are the muscles that lies on your back as well as in your abdominal region. These group of muscles are basically the core supporters or are the pillars of you standing erect. Your spine is standing erect just because they have been supported by this group of core muscles. Now these core muscles are difficult to strengthen because they are not utilized in almost all activities. So they sometimes get missed out in exercise while doing other activities of day-to-day living. And that's why they need a special exercise program for you to achieve their strength. The importance of core muscles is that they not only are supportive but are also helpful in withholding the stress that your spine undergoes in the activities or the tasks that you do in your day-to-day life. Some of the important muscles that you should always focus when it comes to core strengthening exercises are exercise for your abdominals, exercise for your glutes muscle, exercise of your hip muscles, and as well as the exercise for your back muscles, or else back extensor muscles, I would say. These muscles are the core supporting muscles of your spine as well as pelvic region, and they tend to get weak due to wear and tear, and also tend to get injured, due to which you experience back. But strengthening exercises are kind of intense exercise which can lead to further damage to your muscles if done at wrong time. Hence, it's very important that if you who are someone who is having back pain episode, definitely in the phase of pain, you should not do this exercise. You should definitely refrain yourself from doing any kind of strengthening exercises. That's the time basically you should focus on light and gentle back movements, which are free, gentle range of motion exercise, in order to prevent stiffness and bring the mobility or else maintain the mobility in your spine region. Once you are out of the phase of pain, then you should give some time for your body to warm up back by doing flexibility exercises or stretching exercises. Stretching exercises not only increases the blood flow to the area but also improves the longevity of the muscles and flexibility of the muscles. When the muscles are easy to move, free to move, it becomes much more easier for you to do the strengthening exercise program. So, if you are having back pain, wait for 10 to 15 days for your back to get settled down. Only do gentle mobility exercises. After that, for next 10 to 15 days, do only stretching exercises. Stretch your muscles, make your hams, glutes, abdominal, back muscles well flexible. Make them flexible enough, and then only start with your back strengthening exercise program, which would be maybe after say around 20 to 30 days post your episode of back pain. To build your back muscles or else the core muscles, you require exercise that are safe, are easy for you to do, are enjoyable for you, and also focuses on the muscles that I mentioned before also, like abdominals, back extensors, gluteal muscles, hip muscles especially, and your pelvic floor muscles as well if you are a woman. Back strengthening program or else back strengthening exercises helps you in reducing the stress that your spine faces on or while doing your day-to-day task. It also brings better spinal alignment. It brings ease in the movement and also makes you strong enough to withhold all the activities or play or sports that you plan to do in future. Even twisting, lifting, turning around can lead to certain pains. But if your muscles are strong enough, you can prevent yourself from all these aches and pains. Now, these exercises doesn't have to be boring. There are many exercise formats that can enable you to do your core muscle strengthening. These exercise formats are Pilates, yoga, Tai Chi, weightlifting and conditioning, resistance band training, and exercise which are done on physio ball. In most cases, strengthening exercises should be done 2 to 3 times in a week and should be a part of your overall exercise program, which should also comprises of aerobic exercises and stretching exercises. So make sure before starting any of the exercise program, especially for your back muscles, take consent from your physiotherapist, understand at what level you are, what is the health of your spinal muscles, understand that, and then only start with your exercise program. Yes, there are a lot of benefits of doing back strengthening exercises, but they should be safe for you before starting. So keep that in mind and then only start your exercise. I hope you found this information helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video and subscribe to YouTube channel HealthQ. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.